Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring dress collection, so I thought this would be really fun even though we're in quarantine. Please be sure to subscribe down below. I am super close to 5,000 subscribers and would really appreciate if you would hit the big red subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. I hope you are all staying safe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!